Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone battery draining issue. So guys, iPhone battery draining fast issue on iPhone 11, 12 and 13, 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max series. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, if you are using 5G connection, so turn off the 5G. So after this, the next solution is turn off keyboard haptics on your iPhone. So for this, go to settings. Scroll down, tap on sounds and haptics. Scroll down, tap on keyboard feedback. So here's the haptic, turn off. And then after this, the next solution is enable low power mode on your iPhone. So for this, go to control center and turn on low power mode here. And then after this, the next solution is restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to right to power off your iPhone. So wait for a few seconds and turn on your iPhone again. So wait for it. Open the lock screen, and then after this the next solution is check for high battery consumption app. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on battery. So wait for the loading. So scroll down. So guys, here you can see guys, here is the high battery consumption app, PUBG Mobile and TikTok. So guys, if you're here is so so guys, after this the next solution is reset all settings on your iPhone. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer, reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your password. So guys, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So simply tap on reset all settings. So guys, after this, the next solution is, and the last solution is, check for updates for your apps and iOS updates. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So wait for checking for update. So guys, I have the latest version on my iPhone. So update your iPhone to the latest iOS version, and then go to App Store and update all your apps. Tap on the profile icon in the right corner. So guys, I have all updated apps. So guys, here is a simple solution to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.